My name is Honorable Barrister Sunday Syriacus Omeha. Mr. Speaker, I continue to represent the good people of Enugu, the federal constituency of Enugu State. Honorable colleagues, I rise to move the motion on the urgent need to investigate the gruesome murder of Nigerians by Nigerian soldiers in Enugu State. The facts and circumstances giving rise to this motion is clearly set out on the face of the motion paper, and in fidelity to the resolutions already adopted, I am constrained to proceed and read out the prayers on the motion paper. Mr. Speaker, the House resolves to set up an ad hoc committee to investigate the gruesome murder of Nigerians by Nigerian soldiers in Enugu and punish those found culpable and prevent such barbaric wanton acts. 2, the House resolves to urge the federal government to overhaul the security architecture of the entire state in line with the new federal government posture and determination to ensure adequate protection of lives and properties as guaranteed by law. 3, the House further resolves to urge the federal government to compensate the families of those that lost their lives in this unfortunate incident and take care of those that have been injured as well as their hospital expenditures. And finally, the House further resolves to urge the National Emergency Management Agency to provide relief materials and assistance for the victims of the gunshots. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, I so move.
Any seconder?
Ramadi, representing the people of Port Harcourt 2, Federal Constituency in River State. I'm an Ikwe woman. I hereby second the motion as moved by my colleague. I so move. I so support.